Hey folks, here's my version of an outside couch. I've seen so many videos on YouTube and I said to myself, heck, I can build that. And here is almost completed. I just need to finish it. The thing that I like about this is my kind of own version here. This is sitting on these posts, just like the way a deck is built. So the sitting area is not held by screws only, but it's resting on a piece of lumber. I like that a lot. It gives a lot of sturdiness to the piece. And the back is a bit slanted. This is the joint. I'm not too excited about it, but it works. So I've pretty much just sat down on a existing couch and got the measurements from there and see what would be comfortable for me. I'm about 6'3" on a dry day, 6'1" on a rainy day, but this is comfortable. I'm having cushions made for it. You can sit three people comfortably. It's about 6 feet wide, and there it is. It was a nice project, and it's not the final product yet, but so far I'm pleased with myself.